Hey Jack. What do you usually do in your free time?
Hi Tom. I like playing video games. What about you?
I play football with my friends. It's fun.
Nice. I sometimes play football too. Do you play every day?
No, just on weekends. On weekdays, I watch movies or listen to music.
Cool. I love music. Who's your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. His songs are great. Me too.
Do you ever read books?
Not often, but I read comics. They are funny.
That's fun. I like reading adventure stories.
Sounds interesting. Maybe I'll try reading some too.
Yeah! Free time is great for trying new things.
Hey Jack, what do you think about our new English teacher? I think she's nice. She always smiles and speaks clearly. Yeah, I like the way she teaches. It's easy to understand. Me too. And she gives us fun activities in class. Did you do the speaking exercise yesterday? Yes, I did. I talked about my favorite hobby. It was fun. That's great. I think I'm going to enjoy English more this year. Same here. I hope she stays for the whole year. I agree. Good teachers make learning easier. Absolutely.